Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. So now the Dollar Tree where I live is really stocking it up for the fall, and I want to take you and show you exactly what it is that I mean. So come on with me, guys. So now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Remember to click that like button because every time you do, this helps me to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. I would love for you to share this video with someone else who loves Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as we look through all these things. So I'll see you at the end. They came out with so many beautiful items, guys. This is great. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.